Reverse image search is a great little trick to learn, and it's so incredibly easy to use as well. It can be used for a whole multitude of things. I'm going to show you a couple of very popular ones here just over the next couple of minutes. So all you need to do is navigate in your web browser to images.google.com and you'll be presented with this page here. Now, as you'll see, you've got a couple of little icons here. You've got a microphone so you can talk into it if you're into that sort of thing, or you can use this camera icon here. And essentially, if you click on that, you've got a couple of options. You've got paste the image URL, or you've got upload an image. So for example, if you navigate to a web page and it's got a picture on there and you'd like to know more about that picture or see where that picture may be replicated elsewhere in the web, you just need to right click on that picture, copy the URL or copy the web address and then just paste it into there. You might have an image on your computer and you want to search for any other images similar or the same as that across the web, and you can just upload an image and choose the file. For me, I'm going to do something very simple. I'm going to cheat in some way. I've already got a couple of images that I'm going to show you. So for example, if you're presented with an animal or whatever it is, and you've got absolutely no idea what that is, you can essentially just drag that image into Google here. And there we are. I've uploaded the file and it's going to tell me what it is. And there we go. I had no idea what that animal was before, and now I know it's an Angora rabbit. So very, very useful for finding out little snippets of information just like that. And you can look at other pictures of the Angora rabbits or visit web pages to find out more about it. So for example, on Wikipedia. Let me just navigate back once more. Perhaps you've seen on a website somewhere some sort of holiday destination, or you've seen a picture of a particular scene and you think, wow, that's a beautiful scenery over there. I'd love to go somewhere like that on holiday, but I've got no idea where it is. Perhaps it's just some random picture on a website. So I'm going to cheat again. I'm just going to drag an image over into Google Images here, upload it to find out if I can see where that image is taken from, and here we go. There it is, the Cairngorms in the summer up in the beautiful Scotland up there, so the Cairngorms National Park. And then you can come down the web page and hopefully you'll be able to find some holiday places which will point you in the right direction. So for example here, Essential Hotels, or lots and lots of other places on there. Now, importantly, when it comes to internet safety, one of the common messages that we tell children is don't talk to strangers. But increasingly children are saying, well, don't tell us not to talk to strangers. Let us critically think. In other words, let us understand who these strangers are. In other words, is that person that's trying to friend me on Facebook, is that a real person? Is it a bot? Is it somebody pretending to be somebody else? And reverse image search can be really, really useful for this. So for example, if somebody tries to friend you on Facebook or some other social media account, many people put a picture of themselves or purporting to be themselves within the profile there. So I'm going to drag a random picture of me across into Google Image Search just to see if I'm a real person. So drag it across into there as well. And hopefully there'll be some more images of me online. And there we go. What you get here is visually similar images, although how it's worked that out I don't know, so that's one thing to bear in mind, is you can get some pretty random images come up here. But look down here. Lots and lots of images of me, all talking or all to do with e-safety or internet safety, as it's sometimes called. And if you navigate across to some other pages, you'll see lots and lots of similar images. There's even some of me that is the same image but in colour there. So speaking across lots of environments and on lots and lots of different websites where I've written articles for them. So hopefully you would be able to see from that I am actually a real person. And that is how useful reverse image search can be. Now don't get me wrong, it's certainly not the be all and end all of everything, but it can be helpful in some circumstances. So I hope that was useful to you, and see you next time.